This is the current situation. Let's check the engine oil. The engine oil still looks okay. Alright, so this is our next stop. The overheat there. I don't know what leg of the journey we're at yet, but it's not the last stop yet. But I'm gonna get this son of a bitch home. This is what we're working with. Nice and stiff. Let's see what we got going on with the oil. I think there's still some on there. That's here. I don't want to park this in my driveway again. Oh, shit, everywhere, bud. Alright, so this wasn't the funnest drive at all, but we're pulling up. We're going to pull up to my crib. And it's just on the verge of, when it starts overheating, it shoots right up to red right away. Okay, so just as I pulled in the driveway, she started to overheat. But yeah, we got the drips coming in from the oily coolant. This hood's really aligned with a lot of stuff. All over the ground. This one going. Oh, the old RT is gonna have to come out now. But yeah, we're gonna fucking. Slight problem with this. Pretty sure the head gasket blew or the oil cooler.